Welcome to this video on cadmium, a substance often called a 40-year health hijacker. We will explore how its accumulation poses a lifelong threat to human fertility and bone density. Presented by Dr. Anjaney Kumar. Cadmium is concerning because it has an exceptionally long biological half-life of 20 to 40 years. Once it enters the body, it accumulates primarily in vital areas, including the kidneys, bones, and testes. Exposure to cadmium can have severe impacts on male reproductive health. It triggers massive oxidative stress, which disrupts the blood-testis barrier and destroys sperm quality, ultimately slashing testosterone levels and fertility. Beyond reproductive health, cadmium poses a major risk to skeletal integrity. Research indicates that postmenopausal women exposed to environmental cadmium face a nearly 100% increased risk of bone density loss and osteoporosis. This damage occurs through a direct attack on the bone remodeling process. Cadmium suppresses the function of bone-building osteoblasts while simultaneously stimulating bone-destroying osteoclasts, which leads to increased bone fragility. To protect your health, it is vital to identify and limit exposure sources. Major pathways for cadmium include tobacco smoke, contaminated drinking water, and common food items such as rice and leafy vegetables. Thank you for watching this video on the health impacts of cadmium exposure.